Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a video of unboxing the new ASOS box that has come out this month. So this edition is the Christmas box. So this is the December ASOS box, and you can tell by the front it has all these snowflakes and it has this really Christmassy feel to it. And this box was retailed for £10, but originally all the boxes are around £12 each. And the last box was the Pixie box, which was retailed at £15. So it really depends, as the collaborations tend to be a bit more pricey, but for somehow this one's £10. And this box has 5 items inside. So these ASOS boxes are non-subscription based, so you cannot be subscribed to it. So these boxes come around the first to the second week of the month, so it's mostly a first come first serve. So you have to be very quick and get onto the website and order it, because some boxes do sell out pretty quick in about maybe like in a day perhaps, but this one sold out really quick, but I managed to get my hands on it. So let's just see what's inside this box. So if I just open this box, it has this card and it just says "Go Play," and at the back it has a description and it says, "This month's ASOS box is the gift that keeps giving. We are talking 5 of our favourite face body goodies to give you some extra TLC throughout a busy December. Firstly, got Clinique's Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, the ultimate cleanser to melt away your makeup, leaving your skin feeling soft and squeaky clean. Then try on the Origins Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum with cucumber and apple, which helps tone and plump your skin while targeting any fine lines. And for some serious pampering, sink into the tub with Dr. Jart's Cicapair Tiger Grass Facial Mask and Miss Patisserie's vegan friendly bath ball, which has festive silver sparkles and a mandarin scent. Finally, to soothe chapped lips over winter, the Carmex Original Lip Balm tube provides a long-lasting protective barrier with cocoa butter and for a super smooth finish. So there's 5 items in this box, and this is the first item. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. So this is like the sample size. It's not the full size, but if you open this, it just looks like this. Over here, and if I open it, has this over here, and yeah, I don't want to put my hands in this, but this is very good. Like, I can see myself taking this on holiday, like if I don't want to bring a big, tub of cleansing balm. I don't like really know like what's the original price of this, but I feel like it could be £15 for this. Know the original retail price of the item. I will put the price down below. So the second product in this ASOS box is the Carmex Moisturising Lip Balm, and this one apparently is the original one. So I have used this before and I really like the formula. It does moisturize lips, and this one's the original one, so I don't know how this one smells because I used the cherry one. Since it's the original, I'm definitely going to use this because my lips do get really dry during the winter time, so I'm happy this is in the box. The third item in the box is the Origins Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum. So I've heard a lot about this brand, and this is the travel size version, and it's 15 ml. I don't actually know what this is for, but it's a serum, but it doesn't really say at the back what it's for and what it does, but it's just a serum. So I'm hoping to try it to see if I like it, because I know how pricey like original products can be, but this is a very good way of, like, you know, trying out stuff and seeing whether you like it, so then in the future you can buy a full-size product. In the box is the Miss Patisserie Mandarin Essential Oil Cocoa Butter Bath Ball. So you can see, like, at the top there is a metallic part on the bath bomb, and at the bottom it's purple. So I think it's going to be really nice when I put this in the, well, when I have a bath, but I'm not entirely sure. So once I have a chance to use it, I will use it. But it smells really nice, but it doesn't really smell like mandarin as they have stated, but it smells quite sweet in a way. And it just says here, if mandarin essential oil is detoxifying, anti-inflammatory, it has healing properties, can reduce pain. The aroma is an instant mood booster, helping combat anxiety, full of healthy fatty acids, antioxidants. Cocoa butter penetrates deeply into the skin and naturally heal, hydrate dry, sensitive skin. It will create silky smooth bath water. So I've heard a lot about this brand, about bath bombs, but I have not actually used it, so I can't wait to try it once I have a bath. In the box is this mask. It's a Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Calming Mask, and this mask apparently helps to soothe sensitive skin. I haven't heard much about Dr. Jart, but I heard it's a really good brand, and this mask probably costs around £5–6 per sheet mask. So I'm glad there's a sheet mask in this box, because I really needed a sheet mask, because my skin has been feeling a bit dry across this month. So comment down below what you think about this month's ASOS box down below this video, and let me know whether you like this box or you don't like this box, or whether you like the products or you wish there was different products in this ASOS box. But unboxing next month's January ASOS box